Now, our last two slides are about the alphabet. An alphabet seems like a very familiar word to us because we talk about the alphabet. When you learn to read, you have to learn the alphabet before you can learn to read. But the alphabet goes back to the Phoenicians. They developed the alphabet. These are letters that stand for sounds. Now, some people argue that it wasn't actually the Phoenicians that we get our alphabet from, but it's actually the Egyptian hieroglyphics. They say that the Phoenician alphabet was borrowed from Egyptian hieroglyphics and were simplified to use to keep track of trade. But what the alphabet is, it's letters that stand for sounds. And so, but the hieroglyphics were pictures that stood for things or letters. So the Phoenicians took it and they just made the alphabet stand for sounds. And then, as we see, this is how we get our alphabet today. It's back from the Phoenician alphabet, thousands of years ago. So let's look at the second slide of the alphabet. So through trade, the Phoenicians were able to spread their knowledge of the alphabet. It consisted of 22 symbols that were used to make words. They were the basis for Greek, Roman, and English, and many other alphabets as well. This alphabet listed down here is the Greek alphabet. So as you can see, it's similar to ours, but also different as well. And the Phoenicians had only 22 symbols, where we have 26 letters today in our alphabet. But that's where we get this basic idea of letters standing for sounds, and when you put them together, you make words. So it's pretty interesting, but that's one of the biggest things that they added that helps us today is their creation of the alphabet.